Guys, stop. If you're still trading on pump.fun manually, you're losing money. Right now, I'm going to show you the top tool that all traders are using. And yes, I'm launching it right now so you can see everything in real time. Let's go. Right away, you can see the stats. Over 136,000 snipes and 99.9% uptime. An interesting point, the plugin and agent section. The developers have integrated AI models, Gemini, GPT, Claude, and even Grok. That means the bot can analyze a token before buying, instead of just clicking randomly. Next, we see the security section, audits by CertiK and OpenZeppelin, plus a bug bounty program. That's an important marker of reliability. At the bottom, the roadmap and user reviews. Overall, the project looks solid and professional. Let's quickly go through the tabs. The API and docs section is for those who want to integrate this functionality into their own scripts. FAQ, answers to common questions like custodial setup. Here everything is non-custodial, your keys stay with you. The contact tab, support via Telegram and email, with offices listed in Dubai and Singapore. The About section shows the team, traders and engineers. It looks transparent. Now for the most interesting part, let's move to the terminal itself. Launching the terminal. First step, connect your wallet. I'm using Phantom. I've sent 2.5 SOL. That's my trading deposit for today. Everything works in one click. Now we go into settings. The AI agent tab, here you choose the brain for the bot. Let's leave GPT 5.4 as recommended. The trading tab, here you select a strategy. There are presets, safe, balanced, aggressive, and even degen. We set the entry amount, slippage, take profit, and stop loss. The safety tab, honeypot detection and rug pull protection. These filters protect you from scams. That's it, save the settings. Click the green Start Trading button. The bot switches to monitoring mode. Watch how fast the list fills up. New tokens are appearing. Look at the status column. The bot doesn't buy everything. It analyzes and labels buying, skipped, holding. On the left in the trading stats panel, numbers are already moving. Total trades, win rate. The performance graph at the bottom left starts going up. That means the first trade's closed in profit. The process is in full swing. The list updates every second. Notice how many tokens are marked as skipped. That's our protection working. The bot filters out suspicious contracts. We see green profits in the P&L column. The total profit counter is already positive. The logs tab shows detailed actions, but the dashboard is enough for us. The graph is steadily going up with almost no drawdowns. Let's pause and look at the results. Go to the Profile tab. Here's the full session stats for a non-sniper. Total trades, 61. Successful, 47. Win rate, 76%. That's an excellent result for this volume. Net profit plus 6.985 SOL. That's a very solid result for a single session. And most importantly, how to withdraw profits. In the automation section, enable manual withdrawal. Enter your wallet address and click Send Now. Look at the top right. I've opened my Phantom wallet. Within a second, a notification appears. Received plus 6.985 SOL. The balance updates. Everything is legit. Funds go directly to your wallet, no intermediaries. The tool proved itself powerful. Quick setup, smart AI-based token filtering, and real results. Attention! Right now, every new user gets a free week of a pro account. That includes all premium features, AI agents, priority speed, advanced analytics, zero risk. I'll leave the link to the service in the description. Don't wait while others take your profit. Good luck to everyone. A review of the best Solana sniper bot for pump.fun in 2026. Trading on Solana with AI, automated deals, passive crypto income. Subscribe and like. In the next video, I'll show a plus 300% per week strategy.